Hi, this is Sarah with SarahMarielle.com. In light of Fibromyalgia Awareness Month, I wanted to kind of give you a slice of today, some of my daily life. Today, trying to make a soup, following instructions in a book. I had a meltdown, like a full-on mascara down the face meltdown, because I couldn't make my brain work because of the brain fog. Getting very confused. I couldn't follow simple written instructions. I couldn't understand how to sort out what I was going to do first. So I needed to cook my chicken in order to put it in the soup further down the line. And I was trying to figure out how to cook my chicken, and then also I needed to do the bouillon in order to make my 4 quarts of chicken stock. And I was split trying to do 2 different things at once, and I'm trying to focus on one thing, but at the same time I need to boil the pot of water because that's how I'm going to make my bouillon. So, you know, you said that when that starts to boil, you put the bouillon, no problem. I couldn't process. I was just absolutely confused and frustrated, and I needed help. So I asked my husband Luis to help me, and I was still struggling so hard to even give him instructions on what I needed him to do. And I ended up just shutting down because I couldn't do it. I couldn't understand. I couldn't comprehend the next step. So that's kind of what we call fibro fog. And today I actually had my medicine to help me with that fibro fog, and I still couldn't comprehend it. So that's just one slice of it. And I really hope that you learn more about fibromyalgia, and if you know somebody with fibromyalgia, I hope you understand a little more about what they might be going through. Thanks.